This tutorial demonstrates the new capabilities of the renamed, redesigned summary grid report available in ClearTrial 5.7. This report now offers extended configurability and autonomous control so you can quickly and easily generate reports for your internal or external reporting needs. Enhancements include the ability to include multiple providers, configurable groupings and sort order, a roll-up across all providers and all locations, and more. To start, open your plan and navigate to the Reports tab. You will notice the existing Summary Grid by Major Task report has been renamed to the Summary Grid report. Select this report located under the Costs section. You can now include multiple providers to run the report in order to see the data per provider in your plan. Over to the right, you will see new available grouping options to select from and display in the report output. You can easily select which groups to display and also configure the sort order for the columns displayed in the report. Please note that the major task cost grouping will always remain in the report output as a column and therefore in the list of groups to display. Below you will notice several new options to choose from. Select Roll-up Location Level Data to roll up the data across all locations or to create a global bid grid report. If you leave the option deselected, the report will show details per location in your plan. You can choose to either populate the report with values, which is the default, or generate a blank bid grid to send to your providers. If you need to send a blank grid, deselect the Populate Values for Hours Cost option, which is selected by default. There is a new option to include 0 hours costs if you want to report on resources with 0 hours or 0 cost items. This is useful when you need to always include the same number of line items each time you run the report. You also have the flexibility to run the report with or without inflation, and you will see that selection explicitly stated in the report output header in case you revisit the report at a later time. The Include Excluded Task Costs option can be selected when you need to export all tasks or costs, whether or not they are turned on or driving costs. This is particularly useful when you have existing mapping codes configured in your plan, so that you can create an Excel file that reads from the same rows, cells each time, regardless of tasks inclusion, exclusion, changes over time, or updates to assumption values cause that task to be excluded. This report now offers a Format for Excel Analysis option to easily and quickly create a flat file format so you can easily manipulate the data as needed. To learn more, see the documentation on the Oracle Help Center.